Endless fields of green flow directly into the world of aquaculture. Decades ago, USEC expanded their sustainable protein solutions from land to water.
But now we see it going to Southeast Asian countries. Vietnam is certainly ramping up, and we see it in other parts of the world.
Farming sustainable protein this way is critical to increase protein availability to areas around the world. Approximately 3 billion people rely on seafood as a primary source of protein. For U.S. farmers growing soy, it's an opportunity to make a significant impact by providing a protein-rich food.
So it produces protein for humans to eat and consumes the kind of protein that our U.S. soybean farmers produce. And so we see it as a natural place for us to work.
Advancement of an industry takes shared vision and collaboration, which makes USEC sponsorship of the Global Aquaculture Challenge so important to innovation.
We really believe that nurturing and incentivizing innovators is critical because, it's one thing to have new technology and new things developed in a university setting or in a laboratory, but then to have the industry, and oftentimes these things start with small-scale producers, to have them take it and ramp it up and improve it as they then do their own innovation. We think that that's really the way that growth will take place.
8 finalists will present their aquaculture innovations to potential investors in an effort to shape a growing and sustainable industry, and a chance at $1.6 million investment to help turn their ideas into sustainable businesses.
All of them are involved in trying to somehow improve the industry and move it forward so it will be more efficient in the future. And that's what we really like to see because it's so consistent with the goals that we have for our U.S. soy industry.
Growing a sustainable industry takes diverse approaches, from superior quality aquafeed ingredients to how the industry improves transparency and record keeping. Monitoring water quality became a priority for Jala Software when aquaculture farmers told them this.
I put my fingers to the water and then I put it into my tongue. And this is salt enough.
They knew they needed to help. Jala's technology helps farmers understand their farming conditions in real time and maximize efficiency.
I have a dream to have this real-time monitoring to all of his farm. We start growing from 5 farmers to 8,800 farmers at this point. There's a lot of untapped technology that can be useful in the aquaculture.
That's where USEC and the GAC come in to find a way to make the innovations available to an entire industry.
We've got experts around the world in the field of aquaculture, and we've been able to have our experts get involved as mentors or as people that were kind of a resource for some of these startup organizations, whether it be in the way that they do record keeping or the way that they do the ingredients that they use or various different things that they're working on.
USEC is partnering with the global aquaculture sector and the Global Aquaculture Challenge to enable the industry's sustainability impact on nutrition and food security, the environment, and livelihoods globally.